Thank you for choosing ostech wireless microphones. Our wireless microphones provides professional grade recording output. It is a plug-and-play device that does not require any application to be installed. In this instruction video, we'll cover all the parts and how to use the microphone. Before we begin, we highly recommend that you charge all your microphones before first use. With that said, let's hop right in. In your package, you should have received a charging case, travel case, 2 USB-A to USB-C charging adapters, a USB-C to Lightning adapter for Apple devices. In the charging case itself, you have your 2 microphones and a receiver. The microphones are charged wirelessly through the metal contacts on the back, which be sure to remove the plastic film that is covering these contacts when you first receive your microphones. Once you place them in the charging case, they will begin to charge. A flashing light meaning that is in the process of charging. A solid light means they are fully charged. You simply just take the microphone and place it, and it will begin to flash. Now looking at the charging case, it has 4 LED indicators. Each light represents 25% of power. The charging case in this case is 75% power remaining. Let's take a closer look at the microphones. The microphone has a wind muff that is removable. You have a toggle and a mode switch indicated by the letter M, the indicator light, a clip, and a USB-C charging port that you can charge this independently from the charging case. The toggle switch turns on and off recording. Toggling it up, turns off recording, turning it down, resumes. It essentially acts like a mute button. The mode switch, tapping it once, enables noise canceling. Tap it again, disables it. Noise canceling is represented by a slowly flashing LED light. If you long press the mode button, it will turn off the microphone completely. It will rapidly flash and shut off. Long pressing it again, turns it back on, and it'll go back to flashing. Now the receiver has an LED light right in the middle, and it also has a USB-C charging port. This acts as a pass-through when you plug it into your device. To demonstrate this, we'll go ahead and plug this into a device. And it will begin to flash. And then we'll go ahead and add a charging cable to it. And you'll begin to see that it does in fact start to charge the device. Now we'll go ahead and set this to the side. It is now trying to connect to the microphone. Pulling out the microphone, you start to notice that it's now a solid light, which means it is connected to the receiver. To demonstrate noise canceling, I'm going to go ahead and push the mode button once. And you'll see it will begin to slowly flash. Pressing it again, it will just be a solid light. So that's how you enable noise canceling. And if for some reason the microphone light doesn't turn on while it's connected, you can reboot and reset the microphone by long pressing it to completely turn it off, like so, and long pressing again to turn it back on. And it should reconnect to the receiver. And that's it. You're all set to go to record. And if you have any questions, we will have a link below in the description if you need to reach our support team. With that said, thank you so much again for choosing ostech wireless microphones.